Hi and welcome back to yet another episode in Robinhood School of Traders. Today we will be taking through one indicator which people and many of my students have earned uh, 10 to 20% in a quarter on a stock. So the name of the indicator is Guppy indicator. It's a basically nothing but it's a moving average indicator, and it's got its name from an American financialist named Darrell Guppy. And the book from his book called Trading Tactics, a lovely book. I've gone through the book. It's in Amazon. You will get in Amazon, right? And he says this is not a lagging indicator, but he's saying prior to when there's a trend change, you can find out that how the trend is going to change. So he's saying it's a lagging. It's not a lagging indicator. It's quite surprising. Let's go through it. Very simple. In EMA setting, he's taken 3, 5. There are two sets of EMA. One is 6 slow moving average and 6 larger moving average. The cross section is where the trend is going to change, or the term he's using is a potential reversal of a trend. So he is using EMA 3, 5, 8, 10, 12, 15. So you can see this all the spacing is of 2. The spacing is of 3, so the spacing of the length of EM is over 2, over here is 3, is again over 2, over 3. So he has made some kind of synchronization between 2 and 2, 2 and 3. And for the length, for the larger period, he is using a gap of 5, and for the largest one, he is using a gap of 10. Looks good in chart, believe me. Let's get started. No indicator in today's market would have said that today Bank Nifty was on sell and rise. So this is the power of indicator. All the blacks are short-term EMA, right from 3, 5, 8, 10 to 15, and all the reds are long-term EMA. It works very well in intraday. This is intraday 5-minute chart. No indicator, believe me guys, was saying the second half in Bank Nifty today was sell and rise. And the morning quite evident. You can see from the line, spacing of the line, what a strong trend was in the morning. So this is the one thing you can do. So this indicator works in intraday and in Nifty also in 2 minutes time frame. If it works very well, and you can gauge tomorrow's market also by this if there is nothing sporadic change in the global clues. So it works in intraday and it works in daily time frame also. Now let us see a chart. How does it works in a stock called Asian Paint, which is range bound market. If you plot this indicator, you'll find that it's getting very clumsy. So over here it's getting clumsy. Now if I take the price off, rather if I remove the noise, you can find out how beautiful the indicator works. This was a lovely crossover in Asian Paint. This was a deadly crossover, and again Asian Paint we are working. If it sustains over 2907, you can see a headroom of 2940, lot size of 20. So you can work this in future on option. So that gives a lovely indicator. It works in all the time frame. I've shown intraday, I've shown daily, I've shown a choppy market. And to put this in another context, what I did, I plot this indicator on Nestle, which again is range bound. It is ranging somewhere between 4 to 28, and it breaks around 26800. So this is a lovely range. How to trade the range? So if you hide the indicator, you can find that Nestle has given a small range. So if it sustains somewhere between 2520, we have a 60-point rally at least in Nestle for tomorrow. So this is the power of indicator, and whenever there is a cross section, whenever there's a change over here, you can find out that the trend is going to change. Now let's go to another chart. For a trending market, no indicator will say that Ashok Leyland there was never a signal to get out. No indicator would say that in Ashok Leyland right from 165, 170, right, and still there is no signs of getting out. If you plot any other indicator, you will find whipsaw. So the best thing what I did, share market, we say trend is a friend. So I believe this is one of the good strong indicator built in latest tenure. It works very well in all the time frame, intraday, daily, and the best thing, it gives the maximum top of the trend. So in Ashok Leyland, if someone is there, there's no sign, there is no signal to get it being getting moving out from the trend. What a lovely trend. If you plot any indicator, you'll find whipsaw, but over here, all the EMS are pushing up, which itself is saying that this Ashok Leyland is going to make higher highs. So this is the power of this indicator. Its name is Guppy. You'll find in trading it's free of cost. Numbers, just colors have changed. I've just changed the color, and to my surprise, it works very well in intraday also. So I've used an indicator. I'm using indicator for swing trade, but today it was quite amazing when it made a cobra. This is some sort of cobra. No indicator was saying that Bank Nifty was on sell and rise. So this is the power of Guppy indicator. Bye.